Why are our brains hardwired to panic when a face looks almost human but not quite? It's called the uncanny valley, and it might actually have some connections to our early evolution. The idea of the uncanny valley was first described by a Japanese roboticist. He noticed that the more human-like a robot became, the more people felt empathy for it, at first. As it crossed a certain line, instead of empathy, people felt discomfort, revulsion, and even fear. The effect dipped into the uncanny valley before coming back up again when it looked very human. And people felt this way about wax figures, prosthetics, and even CGI characters. But it begs a question, why have this instinct at all? Our brains are ancient, shaped by a world of predators and prey, not by movie monsters. It isn't until you realize that we lived alongside plenty of other human species. For most of our history, we weren't alone. We lived alongside Neanderthals, Denisovans, as well as stranger species like Homo floresiensis and Homo naledi. Going back even further to our ancestors, the world was much stranger. We lived alongside other species of human like Homo habilis, as well as the weird small-bodied Australopithecines. And you can't forget the large-jawed Paranthropus. At dusk, it would have been crucial to watch out for these other hominids. The uncanny valley may have helped our ancestors quickly recognize a rival species. Other species also had diseases that we wanted to avoid. In fact, the only reason we have genital herpes is because of this guy right here. It was actually Paranthropus that transmitted it to our species over 2 million years ago. Pleistocene Africa was freaky. The uncanny valley may have evolved as a way to avoid other species or diseases, and it's probably why we still hate the sight of almost human like in every horror movie. Because long ago, it wasn't just an uncomfortable instinct, it kept us alive. Check out my YouTube channel, Northo2. I got the full video about the uncanny valley to learn more about it.